In front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Many people struggle with adding a password to Google Password Manager just because it's really hidden in Android devices. Don't worry, I found it and I will show you exactly how to use it. Start by opening Settings. Then scroll all the way down to hit Google section at the bottom. Now tap on All Services next to Recommended and scroll this time to hit Autofill with Google under Autofill and Passwords. Then tap on Google Password Manager and select Add Password to input all of those informations. If you can't see Add Password option though, that means that you never added a password before, and to make it visible you need at least one. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner to make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Then exit Settings and log in into any app that requires an account. I will go with Facebook. After you log in, wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, hit Save at the bottom right corner and simply go back to Google Password Manager. This time you will not only see your new password, but also Add Password option. Finally, you can tap on it and input those informations. At the top, type in any website or click Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!